Yeah. Future tense. This is the third main type of tenses. This is the third main type of tenses. First one present tense, second one past tense, and third one future tense. Where do we use future tense? For all the future actions, we use future tense. For all the future actions, we use future tense. Example, I shall be 20 next Friday. I shall be 20 next Friday. They will write their exam in June. They will write their exam in June. The structure of future tense is shall or will plus verb 1. Verb 1 means present tense. Some questions. Shall I come inside? When will he come tomorrow? When we or I comes as subject, we add shall plus V1. Then with we, with I, we add shall and V1 for future tense. Then with these subjects, he or she or it or they, we add plus verb 1 present tense. See here, some examples are given here. Will they work smart? Will they work smart? Will he need my help? Will it fly? Shall we go home? Shall I read my answer? So see here, will followed by they. Will related to he. Will related to it. The shall related to we. Shall we go home? We won't ask, will we go home? Shall I read my answer? We don't ask, will I read my answer? This is the correct format. Shall I read my answer? Shall we go home? She will go to Salem tomorrow. What class will he study next year? He'll study 12th standard next year. So the key words for using future tense are tomorrow, the next day, next year, next month, or in future. If these words are seen in a sentence, we must use only future tense. The four forms of future tense are simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. We have already seen simple future. Now we shall see future continuous. Where do we use future continuous? We use future continuous tense for actions which will be in progress in future. For the actions which will be in progress in future. Example, I shall or I will be staying here till Sunday. I will be staying here till Sunday, or I shall be staying here till Sunday. And my uncle will be coming soon. My uncle will be coming soon. The structure of future continuous tense is shall or will plus be plus verb plus ing. Example for this, my uncle will be coming soon, or I shall be staying here till Sunday. Next comes future perfect. The structure of future perfect is shall or will plus have plus verb 3. The structure of future perfect tense is shall or will plus have plus verb 3. Where do we use future perfect tense? For actions which will be completed in future time. Actions for the actions which will be completed in future time. He will have left before you go to see him. He will have left before you go to see him. I shall have done the work by then. I shall have done the work by then. Future perfect continuous. Next comes future perfect continuous. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. The structure of future perfect continuous is shall or will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Where do we use future perfect continuous? We use future perfect continuous for future actions in progress over a period of time. We use future perfect continuous tense for future actions which are in progress over a period of time. I have been teaching there for 4 years. Example for future perfect continuous, I have been teaching there for 4 years. I have been teaching there for 4 years. Now we have completed the third major type of tenses, future tense. So we have completed tenses, present tense, past tense and future tense. All types of present tense, all types of past tense and all types of future tenses we have completed.